Hello guys, welcome to DJ Solo Wizo channel, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to set up a Pioneer DJ 200, and also I'm going to teach you the easiest way you can start your DJ career using just iPad and wireless speaker as a beginner. As you can see, this DJ is a new one, and the reason is that so you don't miss out on any stage or step along the way as I explain. First step is to make sure everything is correct. That means bringing your wireless speaker and all your plug-in. Second step is to connect your socket to the wall and connect your USB to the DJ. After connecting your USB to the DJ, turn on the switch from the wall and you will see a light on your DJ. Then your DJ is set. The third stage is to unbox your speaker to make sure your speaker is ready. Since it's wireless, you just need to turn it on and get it ready to pair with Bluetooth on your iPad or phone. Then download SoundCloud to stream music and check your Bluetooth. After you check your Bluetooth is pairing, download WeDJ or Rekordbox. It's an app, you have to download it. Then pair with the wireless speaker. After pairing, touch WeDJ. Then you see Go Setting. Then when you touch on Go Setting, you will see where it said connect to your DJ 200. Then you tap on that not connected. Once you tap on it, you will see something like a light will come up and out. Press on Go Back to Menu. Once you click on Go Back to Menu, see, you will see you are back to the menu where all your music is. Usually they give you like a demo to play.